Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reina if you don't already know. So my next video I'm going to do is going to be a shoe unboxing. So it's going to be something a little bit different that I haven't done on my channel before. I have done a handbag unboxing, but this time I'm going to do a shoe unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of go over the shoes that I purchased and where I purchased them, and I will show you what they look like. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and grab the box. They just came in today, so this is what the box that came in. I did cut out my address on it. I'm not showing you the other side because I don't want you to see where my address is at. I've been waiting for them all day. This is why I'm wearing a pink t-shirt to kind of go with my new shoes that I purchased, which I will show you. So I can give you a hint. I don't know if you can see that. I ordered some Air Jordan ones in mid. So I'm going to go ahead and get them out of the box. So I did already open the box because I wanted to make sure they were the actual shoes. So I'm going to put the box on the side. So this is what the box it came in. So I did order these shoes on a site called Goat. I'm sorry, I'm kind of like looking at them because I haven't really seen the shoes. I just opened up the package when they got here, and I also just took a peek inside, but I haven't even like tried them on or anything like that. So it's pretty much I'm doing this all like on camera with you guys. So this is the box. I did order them in a size 4 in youth. I'm a 5 in women's, but with sneakers they do vary. I do have 2 other Air Jordan 1s in mids in size 4, so I went to their size 4 because I know those fit me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. It came with this little card here from Goat, and then it came with this card here where it says they verified it. So I'm going to put those on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like. I don't know if you can see the shoes, but that's what they look like. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. Oh my God, this is the first time actually touching them, like actually grabbing them out of the box itself. So I'm actually really excited that these came in today. The pink that I'm wearing doesn't actually match the shoes itself, but it is pink. These are called the pink quartz. Let me go back. Let me confirm with the color. These are the pink quartz. That's what they're called. So they have pink, as you can see, and then they have the black swoosh, and then the white here, and then on the toe box. I think that's what's called. I'm not too sure. I'm actually new to Air Jordan 1s. I just started getting into them this year, so I only own 2 pairs. This is my 3rd pair now that I'm owning, but I just got into earlier this year. I kind of started obsessing over them and I kind of got like hooked. But these are what they look like, and then they have the bottom of the soles are pink. I haven't worn them, so I'm touching them. I haven't even like put them on my feet or anything yet. I will show you the other shoe. Let me go ahead and grab. Oh, and it does come with a little Jumpman little sticker. My Air Jordan 1s that I have come with this as well too. Let me take out the other shoe. So this is the other one. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna put the box on the side. Sorry. But these are the shoes. If you guys are worried about me touching the shoes and everything like with my hands, it's okay because I'm going to wash my hands after this anyways. I will try them on for you to kind of show you what they look like on me. So I have the shoes on right now. I'm currently wearing a Beverly Hills 90210 t-shirt with Dylan McKay on it. He's Luke Perry, if you don't know. And I have some black biker shorts on, but I'm showing you what they look like on me, the shoes. I do have white ankle socks, the ones from Hanes, the ones I purchased from Walmart in one of my prior shopping haul videos. But this is what the shoes look like on my feet, so you have an idea. I have a really small foot. I'm telling you, these are 4 in youth, which is 4 in kids. So this is what the shoes look like on my feet. I really, really love these shoes a lot. Like, I can't wait to wear these out, like, whenever I go anywhere. I think I'm going to be wearing these, like, almost every day, as long as I just find the right outfit to pair it with, which I'll probably be mostly wearing black or white with these and a little bit of pop of pink. As you can see, I have pink on my t-shirt, so you can kind of see what they look like. I hope you guys like the way I styled them. I'm trying to show you, like, the whole overview of the shoe itself. excited about these. The other two that I own, I did, so this is my third pair, like I said before. The first pair that I bought them through Nike, I want to say, online. And then the second pair, I bought them on eBay. We'll show you those Air Jordan 1s in a different video to kind of show you all the colorways that I do own. But I'm really, really excited about these. I have been wanting these for a while. When I first heard about them a few months ago, I wasn't sure if I wanted to splurge. The site that I bought them on, it's called GOAT, and they sell authentic Air Jordan 1s, pretty much any high-end sneaker shoes that they do sell them at resale. So what that means is, like these, so they do sell these retail for $90, but once they come out, they're hard to purchase when they first come out, so you kind of have to buy them the resale quite a bit. So when I first saw these, I really want them, but I was like, you know what, do I really need them? I really don't. I love shoes. I don't know if you know, handbags and shoes are like my thing. My thing right now, I love sneakers. Sneakers are my favorite thing to wear. I love sneakers. They're just my thing. Like before I started getting into like Nike sneakers, I loved wearing Vans and Converse. Those were my like shoes to wear. I started branching out this last year, and in this year I started getting into more of the Nike sneakers. When Air Jordan 1 mids, when I first really hyped up about these pink ones when I first saw them. The first time I saw it on her Instagram story. There were the pink quartz, and I was like, oh my god, like that was like kind of the first time I ever actually really got into Air Jordan 1s. So when I saw them on her story, on her Instagram story, I was like, oh my god, what are these shoes? She linked them where she bought them from, which was GOAT. And I never heard of GOAT or anything like that before. Like I didn't know anything about the sneaker community or anything like that. So this is was all new to me. So when I saw that, when she bought them on GOAT, I was like, when I saw I was like, okay, these are the shoes that she bought. They're Nike Air Jordan 1s. Okay. And I saw the price and I was like, oh my god, she spent a lot of money on these. Like I can't spend that kind of money, what she spent. I was like, no, like that's too much money for me. I forgot how much she spent, but I was like, no, you know what, I'm okay. So when I first saw that, I was like, okay, you know what, I fell in love with them, but I'm like, I'm gonna hold off and wait. So I kind of started looking at other colorways, and then I found my first pair of Air Jordan 1s in the mid. That was my first actual venture into my Air Jordan 1 collection, pretty much. So now my third pair, and I decided that I wanted these shoes really bad, and I noticed the price kept going up. So I was like, you know what, buy them before they go up. But to be honest, I wasn't planning on buying them. I was actually planning just kind of like, I would look at them every so often on GOAT, and between GOAT and StockX, I would go back and forth and look at both sites to kind of see what the price was on each one for my size. And I saw they were just like gradually the prices kept increasing. And I remember there's been a few times where I made a few bids for them. The bids weren't like, I kept getting outbid, and I was like, okay, you know, maybe it's not meant to be. And then one day when I was on GOAT, I made a bid, and I was like, I made a bid, and I was like, okay, you know what, if they don't take it, it's not meant to be, whatever. So I noticed they tell me, oh, you know, I got outbid. They're like, do you want to increase your bid? I'm like, okay, I'll increase my bid. So I increased my bid a little bit, and I was like, okay, you know, it's probably never gonna happen, because I know with these, how they are, they never really, like, people just keep kind of outbidding each other. So I was like, okay, it's probably not meant to be. Well, I didn't realize that I ended up winning the bid, and someone accepted, or however that, I don't really know like the full in-depth details on how GOAT works, but pretty much my bid was accepted. And I was like, okay. And I was kind of like, I wasn't expecting to actually buy them. I was like, you know what? There were a lot of money. I didn't know if I wanted to spend that kind of money. I won the bid, and I was like, oh my God. So I was kind of, it was kind of almost, I don't want to say it was an accident, but it was. Even though I did place the bid, I did increase my bid, I didn't really think and accept my bid. So I was kind of like, oh. So I actually purchased these. So I was like, oh my God. When I saw my bank account, I was like, them all, they actually took the money out. And I'm like, and so they had shipped them like that same day or the next day once I won the bid. So they were being shipped to go get verified. So it works is whoever's selling them sends them to GOAT, and GOAT verifies to make sure they're they're authentic, like they're the real Air Jordan 1s. So I did that, and that was a few, like maybe about over a week ago. GOAT pretty much obviously verified that they were authentic, and they mailed them to me. And it took only honestly like a day or two for, I want to say about 2 days for me to receive them from GOAT after they verified them. And that's now I own my pink quartz in the Air Jordan 1 in the mids, which I'm really, really happy. I can't wait to try these on and show what they look like. I'm really, really excited. We'll do a video for you guys to show you my other 2 Air Jordan 1s that I own already. So I'll kind of show you all 3, the colorways, and kind of like go over each one. But like I said before, I did buy these in a 4 youth because I am a size 5. I'm between a 5 and 5.5 in women's in US size. So these are 4 youth. In 4 youth is pretty much boy size or kid size, the size I purchased. And I really hope you guys like my video. If you guys have any recommendations for other videos you want to see, just please let me know. But make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.